Good morning, my dear students. Hope all of you will be fine and enjoying your winter holidays. And I hope you all have completed your holidays homework. Okay, as we all know, due to the orders of district authorities, your winter vacation has extended. So that is the reason we will be continuing our classes through the videos learning process, and videos will be uploading on YouTube according to the online timetable. And yes, your timetable has been uploaded on Parents Lofty app in homework portal. Okay dear students, without delaying much, let us start our today's video. This video is for class 2nd, subject English 2nd. So all of you take out your mulberry book. This is your mulberry book, and before holidays we had completed till lesson number 10. Today we will be starting with lesson number 11. So all of you open lesson number 11. Lesson number 11, Saving the Lemmy, page number 117. All of you open this chapter. Yes, so let us start. Have you seen any flowers of the following colors? Think about them and write their names. So children, have you seen any flower having red color? Yes, rose or hibiscus. Have you seen any flower having pink color? Yes, that is lotus. Next, white color. Have you seen any flower having white color? Yes, we can write jasmine. Okay, then next is yellow. That is sunflower. Next one, have you seen any flower having blue color? Yes, that is blue star. We can write blue star. Now next, flower having orange color, and that is marigold. We can write marigold. All of you complete this exercise in your books. Okay, beta? Yes, so for today your homework is complete this exercise in your books. Okay. Children, in this story, Saving the Lemmy, Lemmy is a medicinal plant and it has white flowers with 5 petals, and also it has green shiny leaves. A young girl who is from Nepal, her name is Kachi. She went to the forest with her grandmother and her brother in search of the lemmy plant, but they did not find the lemmy there. Now let us read what happens in the story and see they find the lemmy at the end of the story or not. Kachi, a young girl from Nepal, went to the forest with her grandmother and her brother Daju in search of the lemmy plant. Kachi, a young girl who is from Nepal, goes to the forest with her grandmother and her brother. And why they went to the forest? They went in search of the lemmy plant. Okay, they all three went in search of the lemmy plant. The lemmy is a special plant that has white flowers and shiny green leaves. Okay, lemmy is a special plant that has white flowers and shiny green leaves. But why lemmy is a special plant? Because of its medicinal properties. Okay, lemmy is a special plant because of its medicinal properties. Now next what they are saying, it is good for cold and cough and aching bones. Okay, lemmy plant is good for cold and cough and aching bones. Yes, next what they are saying, because people do not always look after plants and trees, there are fewer and fewer of them left. Okay, as we all know, people do not always look after plants and trees, so that is the reason there are fewer and fewer of them left. Then Kachi, grandmother and Daju did not know whether there were any limi plants left or not. Beta, they all went to the forest in search of limi plant, but they did not know whether there were any plants left or not. After ferrying across the river, they walked through a sal forest and a bamboo thicket, but they did not find the limi there. Okay, so after ferrying across the river, ferried means crossed a river in a boat. Okay, beta. So after crossing the river, they walked through a sal forest. Sal means a North Indian tree, and a thicket means a group of many trees. Okay, so after crossing the river, they walked through a sal forest and a bamboo thicket. But what happened? They did not find the limi there as well. Okay, बेटा, उनको वहाँ भी limi plant नहीं मिला. Let us read this story to learn what happens next. So now let us read the story to learn what happens next. When they could not find the limi plant, what did they do next? They climbed higher and came to a waterfall that rushed over the rocks. They stopped here for a drink. So they climbed higher and came to a place where water falls from a high place to a low place, flowed over the rocks, and they stopped here for a drink. ठीक है बेटा, they stopped there so that they could drink some water. Kachi looked carefully at all the beauty in that wet and green place. Where they stopped for water, Kachi looked carefully at all the beauty in that wet and green place. She also looked for the 5-petaled white flowers of the limi. She also looked for the limi plant. Beta, where they stopped for water, there she looked carefully all the beauty and also looked for 5-petaled white flowers of the limi. Means she also looked for the limi plant, but what happens? But she did not find them near the waterfall. उसको वो plant waterfall के पास भी नहीं मिला था. Then next, they now climbed higher where no grass grew, only moss and small herbs beneath the tall trees. They now climbed higher and reached to the place where no grass grew, only moss and small herbs. Moss means a soft green plant that grows like a carpet, and herbs plants that people use to make food taste good or in medicine. Okay बेटा, moss का meaning क्या होता है? A soft green plant that grows like a carpet. And what is the meaning of herbs? Herbs are the plants that people use to make food taste good or in medicine. Okay, people उनको यूज़ करते हैं ताकि फूड का टेस्ट अच्छा लगे और मेडिसिन में भी यूज़ होते हैं. ओके, beneath the tall trees. So students, when Kachi was looking for the limi plant near the waterfall, but she could not find it, so they decided to climb higher. So they kept on moving and reached to a place where no grass grew, only moss and small herbs beneath the tall trees. Okay students, so that's it for today's class. Okay, and for you, homework is Complete this exercise in your books and also read this page of lesson number 11, Saving the Lemming. Okay, read this chapter in homework and complete this exercise as well. And next we will be continuing in our next video. All of you complete your homework. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Thank you.